Hey everyone, today I will discuss The Legend of Sleepy Hollow by Washington Irving. Elements of a short story. Setting. The story takes place in a quiet, dreamy village called Sleepy Hollow, near Terrytown on the eastern shore of the Hudson River during the early years of American settlement around the late 17th. Characters. Ichabod Crane, a tall, thin, awkward school teacher who loves singing and stories. Katrina Van Tassel, a beautiful woman and only daughter of a rich Dutch farmer. Brum Bones, Abraham Van Brunt, a strong, mischievous man who is Ichabod's rival for Katrina's love. Baltus Van Tassel, Katrina's wealthy father. The Headless Horseman, the legendary ghost said to haunt Sleepy Hollow. Plot. Exposition. Ichabod Crane arrives in Sleepy Hollow to teach and becomes interested in Katrina Van Tassel. Rising action. Ichabod visits the Van Tassel home, often hoping to win Katrina's heart. But Brum Bones also tries to impress her. Climax. At a party in the Van Tassel mansion, Ichabod hears ghost stories and, while riding home alone that night, encounters the terrifying Headless Horseman. Falling action. Ichabod disappears the next morning. People believe he was taken by the Headless Horseman, though some think he simply left Sleepy Hollow out of fear and shame. Conflict. Man versus supernatural. Ichabod's fear and encounter with the ghostly Headless Horseman. Man versus man. Ichabod competes with Brum Bones for Katrina's love. Theme. The story shows that greed, pride, and superstition can lead to one's downfall. It also teaches about the power of imagination and how fear can control a person's mind. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Mayro Jimel P. Gaviola.